Hello and welcome to Chapter 1. This year's a crazy year, so why not jump around all the chapters? So we started with Chapter 3, jumped to Chapter 6, now we're going back to Chapter 1. And Chapter 1 is a big combination of adding, subtracting, rounding, estimating, problem solving. So buckle up, this is going to be a wild ride. So we start off with actually lesson 1.7, but it's just adding, just a review from second grade. And you might think, oh, I had this last year, but it's good to remember the basics, right? When we are adding together our numbers, we want to make sure they're lined up, top to bottom, ones place numbers, tens place numbers. I know that some of us can add in our head, but it's good to write everything down so we don't make silly mistakes. So when we're adding our ones place, 8 plus 7 is 15. Do I do this? No. Right? We have to keep our ones place numbers in our ones place and our tens place number in our tens place. So we regroup to the next column. Like everything has their column, everything has their place. There's only room for one number in each place. Okay, so 15. So then we add up all the digits in the tens place. 4, 5, 6, 7. 75. Stand by. I'm going to write a new question. Okay, nice and lined up. Everything's clear and easy to read. 6 plus 3 is 9. I don't have anything to regroup this time. That happens. 8 plus 9, 17. Remember the 1 goes in the, well now it's the hundreds place, and the 7 goes in the tens place. 4, 5, 6. All right, I'm going to pause it for a second, and I'm going to create a question that has a mistake. And you're going to see if you can spot my mistake. Okay, I'm back. I wrote down a problem, and I made a mistake on purpose. Here it is. Do you see what I did? Look very carefully at the numbers I added and where I put the digits. Do you know? All right, I'll tell you. When I added 8 plus 6, I knew, okay, it's 14. Look at what I did with my numbers. I have a 4 and a 1. Well, if I were to take that out of my addition problem, it would look like this. Is that 14? No, my digits got reversed. This is a common third grade problem. When we have to regroup, we have to make sure our tens go in our tens place, our ones go in our ones place. It's almost like putting the numbers in a slot, right? We have to make sure it goes 1, 4, not 4, 1. And then, of course, that changes our tens place, adding 9, 10, 14. Happy adding!